The ESAB CUTMASTER 40? The YESWELDER MP200? Or Eastwood Versa Cut 60? Perhaps the Lotos LTP8000 or the Hypertherm Powermax? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top plasma cutters available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 plasma cutters. The fifth product on this list is the Hypertherm Powermax 30XP. Featuring cutting-edge technology, this plasma cutter is perfect for a wide range of users, from DIY enthusiasts to professional metalworkers. Weighing only 21.7 pounds, the Powermax 30XP boasts a compact and lightweight design, making it highly portable. Whether you need to make on-site cuts or move it around your workshop, the Powermax offers unparalleled convenience. What sets this cutter apart is its impressive cutting capacity of up to 5/8 of an inch of mild steel, allowing you to handle various metal tasks with ease. Equipped with a high-quality torch and exceptional arc performance, this plasma cutter delivers smooth and precise cuts, ensuring clean edges and minimizing the need for additional finishing work. One standout feature is its auto voltage technology. This innovative feature allows for automatic adaptation to different input voltages ranging from 110 volts to 240 volts, and it comes with plug adapters for added convenience. Another feature we love is the machine's reliable and user-friendly interface. Lastly, to further enhance its versatility, Powermax offers a range of consumables. Its patented Duramax Torch series guarantees exceptional performance and durability, ensuring a longer consumable life. Its pros are: the lightweight and portable design enables easy transportation between job sites. It has a versatile cutting capacity and exceptional arc performance, and the one-knob control makes it user-friendly. However, it is not ideal for extensive heavy-duty use. The portability, versatility, user-friendly interface, and advanced features of Hypertherm Powermax 30XP make it an exceptional cutting tool for anyone who wants to enhance their productivity and overall cutting experience. Up next in fourth place is the Eastwood Versa Cut 60. Calling all automotive enthusiasts! The Eastwood plasma cutter is a must-have tool for power and versatility. Designed for cutting-edge technology and built to withstand demanding tasks, this plasma cutter can handle up to 7/8 inches of mild steel with ease. Take on a wide range of projects effortlessly with this plasma cutter. The advanced inverter technology used in this unit guarantees consistent and stable cutting performance. It delivers a smooth and clean arc, resulting in precise and accurate cuts while minimizing dross and distortion. Similar to the Hypertherm, the Versa Cut 60 offers the convenience of dual voltage input, allowing you to operate it with either 220 volts or 110 volts power sources. This versatility ensures you can use the plasma cutter in various settings, whether in a professional workshop or home garage. Weighing 31 pounds, it remains easily portable for effortless transportation to different locations. And when it comes to durability, rest assured that it can withstand rugged construction jobs in demanding environments. We love the simplicity of the output control and interface, making it user-friendly and easy to adjust. Plus, the inclusion of an LCD provides real-time monitoring of the machine's status, ensuring optimal performance and safety. All in all, it is an excellent choice for any contractor or DIY enthusiast. Its pros are: the adjustable output control and LCD make it user-friendly, it has a durable duty cycle of 60%, and it can effortlessly slice through thick metal, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications and professional use. However, it requires a dedicated power outlet to function correctly. The durability and cutting capacity of Eastwood Versa Cut 60 make it a reliable choice for professional metal fabricators and automotive enthusiasts who want to upgrade their cutting capabilities. Still haven't found a plasma cutter that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Lotos LTP8000. This cutting tool is a powerhouse designed to cater to both DIY enthusiasts and professional operators. With exceptional features and capabilities, it delivers outstanding performance and precise cutting results. Featuring an ideal cut thickness of 1 inch and a maximum cut thickness of 1.5 inches, the LTP8000 effortlessly handles a wide range of materials, such as stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, and aluminum. It offers a current output range of 20 to 80 amps with a duty cycle of 60% at 80 amps and 100% at 50 amps, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. We were particularly impressed by its non-touch pilot arc torch, allowing efficient cutting even on rough, painted, or rusty surfaces. It produces minimal slag, resulting in clean and smooth cuts. Moreover, the 2T4T function enables extended cutting without the need to keep your finger on the trigger, enhancing user convenience. Weighing 32 pounds, only slightly more than Eastwood, the LTP8000 is designed with portability in mind. Its compact and lightweight construction allow for easy transportation, making it convenient for on-site projects or moving between workstations. If you need a powerful device that can be taken anywhere, this is the way to go. Its pros are: its portable design does not compromise durability, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable tool. The non-touch pilot arc allows you to cut through painted, rusted, or dirty surfaces without interference, and it is equipped with a built-in cooling fan that prevents overheating during prolonged use. However, its cons are the power cord is too thin and gets hot after some time of use, and it is not ideal for CNC work. The high cutting capacity, non-touch pilot arc, and efficient cooling system of the Lotos LTP8000 plasma cutter make it a reliable cutting tool suitable for professional metal fabricators and DIY enthusiasts. The second product on this list is the YESWELDER MP200. This versatile 5-in-1 welder combines gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift, TIG, stick, and cut functionalities, providing a comprehensive welding solution. It handles solid wire for gas MIG welding and flux wire for gasless MIG welding. Supporting D100, D200 rolls of MIG wire, it offers flexibility and easy wire feeding. The MIG function's synergic control ensures effortless operation as voltage and wire feeding speed automatically adjust based on the chosen thickness or amperage, thanks to the full synergic option. Portable and lightweight at around 29 pounds, this unit excels at making clean cuts on various materials. The dual fan system ensures proper airflow and heat dissipation. In addition to its welding capabilities, the MP200 delivers smooth TIG welding with a stable and controllable arc ignition. Supporting small or intricate welding projects, it enables clean and virtually smoke-free welding when used with 100% argon. As an advanced plasma cutter, the MP200 features a smart memory function that stores and recalls voltage and current settings for different welding styles and parameters. No matter your needs, this device can perform the functions you want. Its pros are: the LCD screen provides a clear view of the amperage and wire speed settings, allowing for precise and repeatable welds every time. The smart memory function allows you to store the voltage and current settings for your various welding styles, and its advanced design can make incredibly clean cuts on different materials. However, it may begin to stutter at 110 volts. With its compact design and intuitive interface and smart memory functions, the YESWELDER MP200 plasma cutter is suitable for both novice users and experienced professionals. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top plasma cutter is the ESAB Thermodynamics CUTMASTER 40. This device is an absolute must-have. When it comes to the best plasma cutters on the market, the CUTMASTER stands out, with a cutting capacity of half an inch and the ability to sever a whole inch. It tackles mild steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and non-ferrous metals with exceptional precision and power. Remarkably weighing just 22 pounds, the CUTMASTER is a lightweight marvel that you can easily carry wherever you need it. Whether you're moving it between job sites or around the workshop, its portability is unmatched. But it's not just its weight that makes it extraordinary. This advanced plasma cutter utilizes state-of-the-art inverter technology, ensuring a stable and consistent cutting arc for unrivaled performance and efficiency. But here's where it truly sets itself apart from the rest. This unit boasts an autopilot arc restart function, an ingenious feature that automatically reignites the arc if it's accidentally extinguished or interrupted. Say goodbye to frustrating interruptions and manual interventions. This plasma cutter keeps you in the flow, and that's not all. With drag cutting technology, you can effortlessly make smooth and precise cuts by simply dragging the torch along the workpiece. It's a game changer for precision and ease of use. To top it off, this device is made from high-quality materials and is really built to last. Its integrated air compressor delivers consistent and reliable airflow, ensuring optimal cutting performance and extending the cutter's lifespan. When it comes to choosing the best plasma cutter on the market, the CUTMASTER is in a league of its own. Its pros are: it is compact, lightweight, and won't take up much space in your workspace. It has an IP23 protection rating for your peace of mind. Its drag cutting technology helps you make accurate cuts even on irregular shapes or curves. And it comes with a 4-year warranty for the unit and a 1-year warranty on the torch. However, the trigger can be a little sticky at first, so you need to pump it a few times before getting started. The drag cutting technology of the ESAB Thermodynamics CUTMASTER 40 plasma cutter makes it ideal for professionals who want a lightweight and powerful plasma cutter they can use in odd positions without compromising cut quality. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.